morning, everyone. Hello. A very good morning to all of you. Wake up, it's a new day. Start a new day. Forget what has happened yesterday. Focus on what is there to come. Appreciate the little things that happen to you. Live with you, stay with you, and be grateful. A very good morning. I send you all the love in the universe to your way so that we can live together, we can live happily, and we can live in peace. Also, good evening to my friends in the West. I hope you had a great day and you are going to find some rest and have a good night's sleep. So what did I do this morning? This morning was a good morning. I did oversleep a bit, but I woke up, I did my meditation, and I tried to go for a run, but the sun was really bad. You can see it's still very bad, so I instead went to the gym. I wanted to do some weights, but I ended up doing an elliptical. I ran 5 kilometers and then I did some mixed body workout, and now I'm talking to you. So, tip of the day. Let's come to the tip of the day. My tip of the day today is holding back on conversations. Yes, you're hearing me right. I'm trying to tell you to hold back on conversations. So the tip of the day is listen to your gut. If sometimes you are in two minds, whether I should say this now, whether I should say this to this person now, I want you to listen to your gut. Take that instant call on 3 things. The timing. Can this wait? The person you're going to talk. Is the person in the right frame of mind? Can he take this conversation in the depth or the criticality of this conversation and assimilate it now? And last but not the least, your mind frame. Are you in the right mind frame? Are you able to put this conversation in the right context, or it is going to backfire? If your gut tells you, you know what, I'll do it later, just stick to it. That's very important, because in the end of the day, a conversation that you may not want to have and you end up having because you have not thought it through or you have not planned it well may backfire, may sever the relationship with this important person. And this holding back, or the tip of holding back on conversations, may apply at your workplace while going and talking to your boss, or can also apply with your relationships, with your friends, with your family. I in particular can come across as very spontaneous, naive, impulsive, and I have had taken the liberty of just saying whatever came to my mouth, rambling on, and I've ended up hurting the person, high weapon, ended up hurting my friends. And I have learned this the hard way, that there are some conversations which if I'm in two minds, I'll just hold back and get back to it later. The life isn't running away, and that's about it. So this is my tip of the day. Listen to your gut, hold back on your conversations. Your gut starts telling you, gives you better signal the more you start meditating, the more you are with yourself at the present moment, focused and conscious about the present moment, the more you're less distracted. So meditation is always the key to get better on these tips. On that note, I wish you all a great day ahead. I wish you all safety, healthy, and a very productive day ahead. Please stay safe. Please plan your day well so that you're not burning out, and I will catch up with you another day. Embrace the good things around you. Say thank you to people frequently. Say sorry to people if you have hurt. And that's about it. That's about life. And this is Bairaki Bong signing off from Insta Morning. And I'll see you guys very soon. I love you all. Take care.